Going into the woods and up a trail into the mountains is like going to church to me. Except I get to wear comfy clothing. I generally like to go when there's no people, and the symphony of the outdoors is much better in my opinion. In case you didn't know, my name is Elizabeth, and I make and sell my custom and one-of-a-kind resin jewelry creations on my website, calicounicorn.com. These pretty wood bezels come from Sophia the Hobbit. I will link her channel and her Etsy store below where you could get these wood bezels and a whole bunch of other really cool ones that she makes. One of my favorite materials to use by far in resin jewelry are these abalone shell pieces. I actually have these in different sizes, different shapes, different colors. It's definitely a small addiction. This particular jar, all the pieces are pretty small. In fact, they sort of look like they've been tumbled or something. They're all sort of rounded edges instead of being jagged like other pieces of abalone shells that I bought in the past. If you've watched any of my videos, then you'll know that I'm reaching for warm, nice, inviting colors here. I make this Picasso face jewelry set I sell on my website. I'll insert a picture here that uses this exact color scheme, and I thought this would be a perfect color combo for a sunset in the mountains. Look how pretty that abalone shell is, kind of reflecting the light and looking all pearly. It's very pretty to me anyways. That pearly sheen definitely resembles the snow covering the mountains here in Maine at the moment. Let's bring in the fire, try not to kill anybody. Once again, I get to use my Maine cold-ass weather to my advantage. My resin is thick with 2 C's. So instead of just a regular top coating, these guys are getting a nice, beautiful dome to them. Check out the cool effect the abalone shell gives to the mountains. They're really glittery and pearly. I love them. Share your thoughts below.